Package height 1.777 centimeters. Package length 16.51 centimeters. Package width 8.636 centimeters. Product type electronic cable. Country of origin China. It converts a SATA Power 15-pin connector into a 4-pin Molex and 4-pin mini, Floppy, power connector, in order to supply power to devices that need 4-pin Molex or 4-pin mini power connections. Power connector for devices requiring a Molex or mini connection. Connector. SATA 15-pin straight male T to Molex 4-pin straight female plus 4-pin mini female. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent cable, just what was needed for an old floppy drive. This cable was basically plug and play, and worked perfect for powering an old floppy drive. Just plugged it into a SATA connector and it powered up the floppy drive the first time.